How are you? How are you? I'm good, thanks. I'm good, thanks. What's your name? What's your name? My name is Sarah. My name is Sarah. How old are you? How old are you? I'm 25 years old. I'm 25 years old. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from Canada. I'm from Canada. Where do you live? I live in New York City. I live in New York City. How was your day? It was good, thanks. It was good, thanks. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have one brother. What do you do? What do you do? I'm a student. I'm a student. Do you enjoy reading? Do you enjoy reading? Yes, I love reading books. Yes, I love reading books. Do you speak English? Yes, I speak a little English. Yes, I speak a little English. Can you help me? Of course. What do you need? Do you have any pets? No, I don't have any pets. What time is it? It's 3:30 p.m. What's the weather like today? It's sunny and warm. It's sunny and warm. What's your favorite food? I love pizza. What's your favorite movie? My favorite movie is The Next आपने अपनी favorite movie का नाम बताना है. Where did you go on your last vacation? I went to Thailand. I went to Thailand. What's your favorite animal? I love dolphins. I love dolphins. Are you married or single? I'm single. I'm single. What's your favorite season? My favorite season is summer. My favorite season is summer. Do you play any musical instruments? Yes, I play the guitar. What's your favorite book? My favorite book is Holy Quran. Can you speak any other languages? Yes, I speak Spanish. What's your dream job? I want to be a pilot. I want to be a pilot. Have you ever been to a concert? Yes, I have been to many concerts. Do you like to cook? Yes, I enjoy cooking. Can you swim? Yes, I can swim. Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a dog. What's your favorite TV show? My favorite TV show is Friends. Have you ever climbed a mountain? Yes, I have climbed Mount Everest. What's your favorite type of music? I enjoy listening to classical music. Can you drive a car? Yes, I can drive a car. What's your favorite dessert? I love chocolate cake. Do you like to take photographs? Yes, I enjoy photography. What's your favorite hobby? My favorite hobby is playing the guitar. Do you enjoy playing video games? Yes, I love playing video games. Can you do yoga? Yes, I practice yoga regularly. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too.